Ah, what a nice summer day. What a beautiful river. What a pristine piece of nature. Oh no, wait, what is that? A huge plastic container. That's no good. Let's change that today and make this river look beautiful again. We couldn't have picked a better day for this cleanup. It's 29 degrees Celsius, very warm. And here we are, an enormous plastic container, 1,000 liters. One of the largest objects we ever found in a river. Fängt schon an, ne? Ah, hier ist ein Loch, alles gut. Here's a hole, so the water can get out on the other side. Still very heavy.
Das meiste ist hier drauf.
There's a huge lock underneath the water here, and we had to get the container over it. That was fun. Ja.
Ja, Wasser läuft raus.
Ja.
Einmal drehen. Tiefe Seite nach vorne.
Ja.
Da müssen wir mal einen Moment warten.
Now we have to wait again until the water level gets lower, so it's easier to push out to the shore here. It's out of the river. The rest of the water is flowing out there at the bottom. So yeah, finally out. A very surreal sight, seeing this huge container moving through this small path. Now it's time to pick up the smaller boring stuff. Unfortunately, there's a lot of that too. One second. Thank you. Oh. Plastic packaging.
Ja, glaube.
And more wrappers.
So.
Okay, it's getting a bit deep here. Maybe I have to swim. Never swam on a cleanup. That's the first. This is all uncharted territory for me. Never cleaned up this part of the river. But I have to say, it's looking pretty good. There's barely any trash here. Here's a bit. Aluminium can and a metal pot. Pretty beautiful here. Oh, here's another piece. Candy wrappers. Very beautiful place here. Here's another part of a plastic sheet. already broken down quite a bit. Here's another piece of plastic just below the water line. And here I have to swim again because it's getting too deep. Whew. Oh, you got it.
Yep, it's a sofa.
The sofa part. Oh my gosh. I didn't see that it was this huge.
Nope, me neither.
Look at that.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Finally. Wow, it's just super heavy.
Eee.
It doesn't look heavy, but it's 50 kilograms, I guess.
Full with water, right?
And
Very nasty. Okay, now we're trying to get the disgusting water out of that sofa part here.
it's really heavy otherwise.
Yeah, so it's not that heavy when we carry it. Oh, that's very heavy. Yeah.
Look at this!
Ugh. And even more candy wrappers. What a disgusting little puddle of water here. A lighter. Was siehst du?
Ja, sein.
A badminton thingy. Another glass bottle.
Zentimeter raus.
Yeah. This patch over here is already cleaned, and now we're working on the other one over there. Ugh. There we go. 2 almost full bags and 2 clean spots over there. Another can. Another plastic sheet fragment. And a shoe. Looks like a shoe. Yeah. Right. And another part of the river is cleaned. And with that, we are done for today. Now it's time to take a swim in this beautiful pool over here and yeah, get the stuff to the shore afterwards. Swimming in the river after cleaning it on such a beautiful day, that's a very nice reward for our hard work. Alright, here we go. That's it, a huge plastic container, enormous beast. 1 bag full of plastic bottles, styrofoam and all the other trash. 1 bag full of glass bottles and yeah, this huge sofa part with a thingy and the mattress there. Yeah, a lot of trash here today, but I think it was worth it.